Welcome back. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. This bird, it represents the value of what you already have. Cherish it. My friend, listen carefully. Life has a funny way of teaching lessons too. As they say, a bird in the hand is torn up at you like, why are you still at the bush?
Hello, I'm the opportunity, the job, the relationship, the peace you prayed for.
Don't lose what is real while chasing what is possible. The bush is full of promises, but your hand is holding proof. So hold that bird tight, feed it, grow it, and watch it multiply. Because sometimes the bird in your hand today becomes a whole flock tomorrow. Value what you already have while you work toward what you want.